Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here at Dollar General. I'm sure you can guess just by the signs and the tags on the shelf and all the yellow that you see in the background. Today is Sunday, April 21st, and I'm going to do a haul that is going to include our new digital coupons that we got this week. In my opinion, I don't think we got a whole lot of good ones, but we did get some that I think are useful for me. I don't know if they're going to be useful for you, but I'm going to do a small haul. But before we jump into the video, I do need you guys to do me a favor. I need you to hit that subscription button. I'm on the road to 15,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping you guys can get me there by July 1st or June 31st, 30th, however you want to put it. But I so appreciate it, and I apologize to you guys for being absent all this week. My fibromyalgia flared up, and it was really, really bad to where I couldn't even walk. I was in the bed for days. So I'm back out and about. I'm feeling better, so I'm going to go ahead and bring these deals to you. The only thing that you need to do these deals are going to be your DG app, so make sure you have that downloaded, and let's jump right into it. So the first deal that we're going to grab is going to be a cover grill deal. I was going to say cover grill, getting it all twisted. So this makeup deal is going to be a fabulous deal. I think this is one of the better cover girl deals that we've gotten in a very long time at Dollar General. I usually get really good deals on them at CVS, but this is probably the lowest out of pocket that I'm going to get at Dollar General, and that I have gotten at Dollar General in a long time. So there's going to be 2 digital coupons that we're going to combine along with a store special. So the first thing we're going to grab is going to be one of these CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define pencils. It doesn't matter which color you get. You can get the brown or the black. I'm going to grab the black. They are $4.95. And when you scan them into the app, you will see that there is a digital coupon for $4.95. And then there is a $3 digital coupon that will come off. So just using this $3 digital coupon alone makes this a good deal, because you will get these for $1.95. But we're going to take it a step further, because this week, right now, they have a deal. Hold on one second. I scrolled past it. They have a deal on the CoverGirl where you buy one select CoverGirl item and you get 50% off. Now, not all of the items are included. Not all of the CoverGirl items are included, but most of them are. So just make sure whichever ones you want to get, you scan, okay? So the second item I'm going to get, so that is an eye. This is an eye product. The second item I'm going to get is going to be a face product. And you really have to be careful on this, because not all the face products have another digital coupon, okay? So like for instance, these $6.75 translucent powders, they do not have a coupon to go with them, but they are buy one, get one half off. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually get one of these water-based breathable foundations. And those are $6.75. I think I'm going to get this classic tan for myself. Okay. And as you can see, they're $6.75. But when I scan them into the app, you will see, hold on, my phone is being really slow today. When I scan it into the app, you will see that, okay guys, I don't know why, but my phone didn't want to scan it. But when you scan it, this $3 CoverGirl face digital coupon will come up, and as you can see, it is part of the buy one get one free. So what's going to happen is we're going to pay for this one but we're going to get this one 50% off. And then we're going to have $3 digital coupons that come off of both of those, okay? So let's keep going to get the rest of our haul. Okay, guys, so the next deal we're going to do is going to be on some Pepsi and Frito-Lay products. Now, this deal that I'm going to do comes around a lot. They keep giving us this digital coupon over and over again, but we're going to put a little twist onto the deal this week because we have another savings that we're going to take advantage of, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to grab 2 of these Pepsis. Now, the Pepsis are normally $2.75 each, but this week, if you scan it into your app, you see they are 2 for $3.50, and you can either get Pepsi or you can get the Mountain Dew. I'm going to go with the Pepsi. So I'm going to grab 2 of these Pepsis. Okay, so the advantage of that is because normally they would be $2.75, but because of the special, if we grab another one, we're going to pay 75 cents for a second one. That's a good deal in itself, just that, okay? But when you scan the Pepsis, you see there's this $3 digital coupon that pops up. And this is the coupon that I'm referring to that they keep giving to us over and over and over again. And I keep using it over and over and over again. So you have to buy a Pepsi product and a Frito-Lay product. So we have our Pepsi product by getting the 2-liter Pepsis, right? So I'm going to go down and I'm going to grab me a Frito-Lay product. Now, most of you guys probably have been grabbing the Munchies, because that is like the cheapest way to go, which most people have been grabbing these. I'm not going to get those because I've never tasted them. I don't know if I like them. I don't know if my family will like them, so I'm not going to get something that I don't know if we're going to eat. It's nice to save, guys, but it doesn't make any sense to buy something that either you're not going to eat, your family's not going to eat, or that you can't resell, or that you're not going to give to the food bank, okay? So I'm going to be practical, and I'm going to get something that I know we're going to eat, which is going to be these Lay's potato chips. Now, by going this route, I know it's a little more expensive, but again, it's something that I normally buy and something that my family is going to eat. So I know this is going to be the better deal for me. So grabbing a bag of these chips, they're going to be $4.25. Or if you buy 2, it will be 2 for $6. I'm just going to get the 1, okay? Now, be careful, guys, because when you scan it into the app, I'm going to show you. When you scan this into the app, the coupon does not attach, but it does attach when you put it into your DG app list, okay? So I'll show you in a minute on the receipt that it does work. So there's our 2 Pepsis and our Frito-Lay product. Okay, guys, next I'm going to grab one of these Colgate Max Fresh Advanced Whitening Tubes. It's the 6.3 ounce. The shelf says that it's $4, but they are on sale for $3.25. And when you scan it into the app, you see that we have this $2 digital coupon. So that means we're just going to pay $1.25 for this toothpaste. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that into the cart. Okay, guys, so the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of these thank you cards. They are $1 a pack. And I know you guys might not think this is a good deal, but I think it's a good deal. Just number one, because I need thank you cards. And if I can even just save 50 cents on something I need, that's a win-win for me. All right. So these thank you cards, and it's not just thank you cards. It's baby shower invitations, birthday party invitation, blank notes. It's all different kinds of things that you can buy, but I'm getting 3 packs of thank you cards. Okay, now you get 8 of whatever you decide to get, whether it's invitation, thank you cards, or whatever, in a pack. 8 for $1. Okay, To me, that's a good deal all in itself, because I've bought these in the past. They're nice quality. They're not with the real cheap thin envelopes and things like that, okay? But when you scan them into the app, you will see this dollar digital coupon comes up when you buy 3 of them, okay? And it doesn't expire till the 20th. So I decided to get 3 packs. I'm gonna get that pack, and that pack. And I scanned all of them. All of them do attach. So basically, I'm gonna pay $2 for 24 thank you cards. So I think that's a good deal. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I decided to get today. The two 2-liter Pepsis, the bag of Lay's chips, the CoverGirl eye pencils, the CoverGirl foundation, the Colgate toothpaste, and the 3 packs of thank you notes. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to head up to the register and come back, show you guys my receipt, and see what our grand total is. Okay, guys, so everything worked out perfect at the register. So let's go over our receipt. So here you see the Pepsi 2 liters. It says $5.50. There's 2 for $2, 2 at $2.75. But then you see the store discount of $2.87, which also takes into account the $3 digital store coupon. There's the Lay's chips for $4.25, and you see the store discount of $2.13. So if you add all of that up, the Lay's, the Pepsi, the store discounts, it'll all come out right. So there, I did the math for you. It comes out to $4.75. They took a little more off because it's really only supposed to come to $5, but it comes to $4.75, which is excellent for 2-liter Pepsis and a bag of chips. Okay, so then we have, no, I'm sorry guys, that's right, it comes to $4.75. 2-liter Pepsis are $3.50. I was adding it at $3.75, so that's right. So go out and grab the deal. And then next we have the Colgate Max toothpaste that was on sale for $3.25 with the $2 digital coupon coming off of that. The next 3 items are the 3 greeting cards for $1 each, and we had a store discount of $1 come off of that. So you see 33 came off, 33, and then 34. Add it all up, it comes to $1. Then there's the CoverGirl brow pencil for $4.95. The store discount of $84, because remember, it's buy one, get one half off. And it's crazy how they do it, because they take a little bit off of each CoverGirl item. And then you see the $3 digital coupon came off of that. There you have the foundation for $6.75 and the store discount of $1.64, and the $3 digital coupon came off of that. So my total, guys, was only $11.22, but I saved $16.48. So I saved like $5, almost $5 more than what I spent. I think that is an excellent deal. So guys, go out, do the deals. Let me know what you end up doing with the CoverGirl deal, what you end up doing with your Pepsi digital coupon. And until the next time, keep on saving.